Good morning, students. Today we will start our third unit, Alice in Wonderland. Take page number 37. Welcome to Alice in Wonderland with Scratch. So, first, what is Scratch? It is a software application. Okay, Scratch is a software application. It is mainly developed for young children and it is used to create your own stories, games, and animations. And it's a graphical programming blocks. Okay, first, it is a software application. It is developed for young children's. It is used to create your own interactive stories, games, and animations. Next, it is a graphical programming blocks. So here you have an activity to join these puzzles. Okay, here you need to number these puzzles. All of you try to complete this puzzle game. First skill time 1. Choosing and adding a characters to the story. A story begins with a younger girl, Alice, dreaming in a park. She dreams of a visit to a wonderland. In the dream, she finds herself in a park sitting beside a rabbit. So here a young girl is dreaming in a park and her name is Alice. She dreams to visit in a wonderland. In the wonderland, beside she have a rabbit also. Okay, let us start creating the story Alice in Wonderland in Scratch. First, we need two characters, a girl named Alice and a rabbit. So here first we need two characters. What are they? Who are they? First one is Alice, and the next one is rabbit. Okay, a figure that represents a character or an object in a story is called sprite. Okay, here a character or an object is called sprite. So we need to add sprites that are like the characters in the story. So here we need to, first step is you need to add the sprites. We shall use the sprites pane in the Scratch editor to add and delete sprites. Sprites pane is used to add and delete the sprites. Look at the picture of a young girl and a rabbit. We need to use similar sprites of our story for our story. So this is a girl in the wonderland and the rabbit. Okay, here you have an activity. Look at the given sprites from the Scratch library. Circle the sprites that you think you can use in a story. So here I am selecting this girl and next this rabbit. Okay, I am choosing these two characters, these two sprites. It is time to add the sprites Alice and rabbit to the stage. There are different ways to add sprite in Scratch editor. So first we need to choose a sprite. Next we need to paint or draw a sprite, and at last we need to upload a sprite. So first step is to choose the sprite. Second step is to paint or draw a sprite, and the third one is upload a sprite. You can also delete a sprite by clicking the delete button on the sprite. So you can also delete a sprite also by using the delete button. So these are the different icons in the software. First one is delete. So this icon is used to delete your sprite. Okay, you can delete your rabbit or a princess. The second one is choose a sprite. Second one is choose a sprite. This icon is used to choose your sprite. And then next one is paint. So this is the painting icon. By using this icon you can paint the sprite, or else you can choose your sprite. The fourth one is upload your sprite, and the fourth step you can upload your sprite. Backdrop span. Here is a gallery. It is a gallery. You can select the images in the gallery also, and this is called the sprites pane. Okay, so by using these icons we can select our two sprites. Quick tips. To delete a sprite, you can also right click on the sprite in the sprite span and then click on delete. So this is your sprite span. You can right click this and then you have right click on your sprite and then you can click the delete option in that image. Okay, then it will be deleted. Okay, thank you.